Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Appstick Academy. Today in this tutorial episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download photos from Google Drive. Downloading photos from Google Drive is essential for backing up memories, transferring files, or organizing your media. First of all, open Google Drive application on your device, and once you open it up, go ahead and tap on any file or photo you want to download. Locate the photo from the folders containing the photo you wish to download. I'm just going to select this photo. After tapping on the photo, I'm just going to select this photo. Tap the three dot right next to the photo, and from the menu that pops up, click on download. Now the item will be downloaded on your device's camera roll, and the photo will be saved on your device's storage. You can also download multiple photos. Select the items you want to download and then click on the three dot at the top and click on download. Soon after you do that, you will be able to download images on your device's storage from Google Drive. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.